In this lesson, we take a look at a few examples of applications that use scientific notation. We actually did one of those in the previous lesson as well, where we were talking about the distance to the nearest galaxy, Andromeda, and traveling there at the speed of light. So we got a little bit of practice doing that in the last lesson as well. However, here we have a student named Grayson who sent in a question about one of the questions in the lesson. He asked if you could get a little help solving question 10 from the practice questions in this lesson. So I went ahead and copied that over. And question 10 says, the moon is approximately a sphere, and it has a radius of 1.08 times 10 to the third miles. And we're supposed to use the formula surface area is equal to 4 pi r squared to determine the surface area of the moon in square miles. Then we need to answer in scientific notation and round to two significant figures. Okay, so Grayson, the first thing we need to do is take the information we're given, the radius, 1.08 times 10 to the third miles, and put it into our formula for surface area right here. So we'll have surface area is equal to, pardon me, 4 pi times 1.08 times 10 to the third squared. Now 1.08 times 10 to the third, often I will do this kind of calculation leaving it in scientific notation, but this isn't a very big number. So let's go ahead and convert this just back to a regular number. So move that decimal over 1, 2, 3 places, and we'll get 1080. So this is the same as 4 pi times 1080 squared. Now 1080 squared is 11,640. So 4 pi times 11640, 11,640. So then we multiply pi times that, and we get 4 times 36,568. Yeah. And then we need to multiply 4 times that. So 4 times 36,568 gives us 146,272 and a half, about 0.5. Okay, so we've taken our surface area formula, inserted the number we were given for the radius, squared that number, then multiplied that squared number times pi, and that number times 4. So our answer is 146,272 and a half square miles. Now they're asking us to put that in scientific notation, so we need to take the decimal and move it back over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places, which would give us 1.46275 times 10 to the 5th. And then it says round that to two significant figures. So we just round to here. So we're going to have 1.46 times 10 to the 5th power. And that's number of square miles. That is the surface area of the moon.